Retro got back with another one, and on today's episode we got something new. We got the Jordan 5 Racer Blue back in full effect. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button for your boy. We about to tear these hoes apart, put them on the turntable, make them do the merengue salsa, and find out if they're really that fire, because there's some good reviews out there on these and some high opinions. Anyways, without further ado, let's hit the turntable, take a look at them, and see if they fire or not, fam. Let's go. Alright, YouTube, we're back with the Jordan 5 Racer Blue, the suede bad boy. Let's get into the upper. I gotta say, man, if you guys hear something in the background, there's literally construction going on in the back. As I said, I got my new set being built, so please excuse the interruptions if you guys hear any booms or paps or anything like that. So as you see here, we have a almost predominantly fully short grain full suede upper, which is pretty cool, man. I mean, I'm not one for full suede uppers, but geez, like, if it's gonna be suede, it might as well be a black one, because all other colors of full suede be getting dirty so quick. Makes you not want to wear suede shoes, man. Black suede is pretty nice, and it's a short-haired suede, not very long-haired, very supple feeling, and it is done very well, I will admit. Now, black uppers do get a bit ashy when they get worn, so these are a type of shoe that you could dye and re-dye and, you know, get that black looking really vibrant. So now, me personally, I never had to go get a pair of 5s in my life. I never felt like they were that fire where I had to get the 5s, but I mean, you know, one day they might come out with a colorway that your boy has to get, but for now, I could pass on these. I could pass and not feel ways about it. Oh yeah, now you can see that's a very short-haired suede. Quality and structure of the shoe is very sound, very firm shoe. I did review the shattered backboard 5s not too long ago, and this mid panel here with this plastic see-through cutout is very, you know, it's different than the shattered backboard 5s, but this is the standard panel that you'll find on most Jordan 5s here. Very similar to the Raging Bull 5s as far as the suede goes and just the build quality in general. So Tinker basically took his inspiration for the Jordan 5 from the fighter planes from World War II. It's one of the most defining pieces on these Jordan 5s, to tell you the truth, man. Clear outsole with a herringbone pattern, very cool and stylish. Jordan branding underneath, very icy, and you know, they're starting to add that blue tint, as I said, in these new era icy soles to help them prevent from yellowing, because we all know how I feel about the yellow soles. I don't like them. I don't like them a bit. Yup, another clear outsole. Well, I mean, it's not so bad, right? Could be worse, at least it's herringbone. At some point, you're going to see these yellow, unfortunately. You have another clear sole on the back. Herringbone is very standard and it's very functional. Now, there's not much traction on the mid portion of these shoes, so, you know, you could end up sliding a little bit. It is what it is. You might do the electric slide when you're crossing somebody over. Visible air unit on the back as standard for this era of shoe, and, you know, it's just one of the first shoes that ever had a visible air unit. Big, puffy ankle portions, but these are actually really stiff. I mean, most people think these are plushy, but these are actually very stiff. These bubbles that are on the ankle support, ankle portion. Eye stay sections are in plastic. This is apparently a new colorway for the Jordan 5. They never had this colorway before, and kind of surprises me because blue and red. That's the first two colors they usually go for when they're making shoes. Even Jordan 1s did that. Came out with the royal blue, even though he was playing for Chicago. You have your flat matte black laces, and the laces are very standard for Jordans, nothing crazy here. And you have more of that plastic on the mid portion of the tongue, and it's the same that you find here on this panel, and it's very soft and it's very, like, you know, malleable for the most part. These kicks never came with another secondary or third pair of laces, unfortunately. These might have looked fire, fam, with a pair of blue laces to go with these. Woo! Very plain toe box, although with this there came a little bit of a defect right out of the box. So, you know, quality control, Jordan, quality control, god damn it. Eye stay section is a variable. You can choose to have the laces come farther out or a little bit closer in. So that's one thing about the 5s that is a bit different than the other shoes. Beautiful see-through lace lock loop section, and that is a precursor to the Jordan 6, except they got rid of this outer part. And you know, you have your highly reflective Jordan brand tongue. I'm definitely going to show you guys that in the light. And Jordan 5s are some of the most reflective shoes, man. Them tongues be sticking out, man. You know what I mean? I notice Jordan 5s as soon as I see them. These shoes shoes got one of the most reflective tongues in all of sneaker history. This is a good choice for night walking and, you know, pretty much getting up to mischief at nighttime. Overall, the shoe is pretty good, comfy, and the inner design has this Z in it. You know, the top 3 5s came out and I was after them, and then when they came out I didn't want them so much. You know, the grape alternate 5s came out, I actually copped them, and you know, the shipping sucked and they didn't actually show up to my house. So, I mean, for the most part, the Jordan 5s are one of those shoes that I never really felt like I needed to go out and get them, like I had to get them. As clean as they look, I just have a problem wearing full suede shoes, man, because they get dirty. They, you know, the color wears out. You got to get them re-dyed. See, they don't know how to match the retro champion hoodie with the cone. Y'all don't know about the cone, the super hoodie cone heads. Y'all don't know about that. My American fans do. Y'all know about these hoodies, bro. They don't sell these in Canada. You gotta go cross border for these. Also, another thing about these shoes is these mid panels here on the midsole, after a while the paint starts to crack, and you know, you kind of gotta get them repainted too after a while. Now, it doesn't happen right away, obviously, but if you have these dead stock for a long time, you know, you'll get some paint cracking if you try to wear these joints. So if you do cop these shoes, make sure you at least wear them in the house before you put them away and have them DS for, well, obviously it's not DS if you wear them, but if you plan on keeping them and wearing, make sure you actually wear these joints, because you want to give these soles a chance to flex, and you know, you don't want them crumbling on you. So, you know, while they're still new, make sure you guys wear them out. You got Jordan branding on the very back of the shoe, and this has to be a return pair because there's so many defects and random stuff on this, like scuffs and all that, and that's what happens when you cop these shoes late. It's also not uncommon to get defects straight out of the box when it comes to suede shoes. You know, there's a lot of glue and a lot of heat involved in these sneakers. Sometimes, you know, it don't go so right. So always beware. And when it comes to purely, you know, suede sneakers, make sure you try to cop the early pairs, fam, because you might get left with the return pairs if you wait till there's only a 1-2 size left in your size. So yeah, you know, beware, buyer beware when you have only a few sizes left or sizes got re-put back on the website, because then you end up with stuff like this. Like, it looks like Jordan took a dookie in midair or something. Textile interior and your Air Jordan branding on the inside there. Blue Jordan insole with a white Jordan branding on the inside. Obviously, I'm going to put these in the light to show you guys how these reflect. One thing I really don't like about the 5s is the fact that they have that interior that's textile, and that stuff pills up just like 3s do. And you know, I don't like the fabric interior, man. I'm not about taking the razor blade, try to cut out these little pills and all that. Y'all better get a higher thread count, Jordan brand. Oh, and before I forget, go true to size, or even half a size down, because these toe boxes are a bit chunky. They did add a little bit of extra room in the toe box, so at very least go true to size, and you can even afford to go down half a size. Now, real quick, let's check out the box. Box reads Air Jordan 5 Retro Black Racer Blue, USA size 10, made in China. And you have your RFID scan chip. It's the type of box that I like to see, man. I like these old style Jordan boxes, you know what I'm saying? A lot of the 6 comes in these. Let me know what you think about the Racer Blues, because these are a fire colorway, but I mean, do you really need 5s in the collection? I mean, for a collector, yeah, you need the 5s, but this is a brand new colorway, hasn't been out. And what do you guys think of these? I really am a fan of these. It's just, as I said, I don't own too many suede shoes. Too hard to keep clean, and I'm not trying to clean these joints every 2 seconds. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We got the on foot coming up soon as usual, so stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys thought of the Jordan 5 Racer Blue in the comment section. Did you guys cop or did you pass on these? They kind of sat for a while, not gonna lie, but now they're gone, fam. So let me know what you guys think. Did you guys cop, and are 5s your jam? Because I never even had a pair of 5s before, fam, not gonna lie. Let me know what you guys think of these in the comment section. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button for your boy. We back with another one. See you guys probably in like a day or 2, fam. I got some real fire coming up for you guys. Booyah, let's hit the on foot. Perfect.